Angisimgcoka kakhulu lokumgcoka le prize presentation. So njengoba selishonile nje kumele sicede ngale prize presentation. Namhla kwami kubonga above all kubonga ukuthi we've come to the end of this tournament. Kubonga kakhulu umphathi waseFooties Mr. Vusi Dlamini and his family because kude lokwamfoselela ukuthi asponsorishe ngaba. It was from the bottom of his heart. Ngibonge na the players, management, ngibonge na babe shongwe nelibandla lakhe sisebenze kahle kakhulu. I mean every one of you. I'm actually part of the family now. So today it's about being grateful for everything. And lenganhlebela kona ukuthi kumphathi na umisi report uyocela imali. Nangikhuluma ngihamba ngesaba. Ngena nje nami kube ngathi ngiyengcisa. Ngoba already ngiyayadi lempendulo ukuthi that's hayo siqhubeke nalabantu eRosette. Nanyalo nje beka business yengosiphele yakhumbula ukuthi namhla usengikhohliwe mina abaningi. So that shows because the relationship we have with you is so big. And let us hope ukuthi it will last. Ngibonga kakhulu nama customer ami lengwabonako kini for supporting Footies. Footies has grown as much as babe akhuluma ngama teams ukuthi the teams are winning and winning. And I have a theme for us. Ukuthi ngibolekele ingoma yema rappers. Let's say we started from the bottom, now we're here. I'm saying to you, as the team, I'm saying to Footies, because we started at the bottom, now we're here. But it's not to be since we're taking it further. Okay. Thank you so much, Siyabonga from Footies. The staff Sam. Ne-staff sami ngoba phela ebe bengasiso le staff ngabe kude le so it's a circle of people. It's actually siyasitana. So njengoba ngisho sinamhla anginokhuluma lokuningi, it's just appreciating. Thank you so much. Siyabonga.